Yo, what's going on, people? What we're gonna be doing today? Lifting the car. No, we're not walking nobody in the head. We're lifting the car up.
Yeah, we're gonna be lifting the car up like that.
Yeah, no, we're raising the coilovers. Yeah. So what do we need first? We need to get the jack out.
Yeah, so where's the jack?
Jack's in the boot. Come on, let's get the jack out. Yeah.
We do the jack.
Easy, Jack.
Jacket.
Grab the stick.
Jacket.
Watch the car, yeah? Don't hit the car. That's it. Put it down here. Put the stick inside the jack. Are you taking the wheel off?
Why they want to get the doing?
That's it. That just locks the bar in. Put the bar in, lock it, so now we can move it. Go get the stands and red things in the boot. Go get both of them. Go on, you. There's two of them.
Do fire.
No fire.
Do fire.
We're not doing fire.
Fire.
Fire's not going to come out. Fire's not coming out the exhaust. So we've got the stands now. And we need a WD-40 spray as well, but we'll get that after we take the wheel off, yeah? We need to take the wheel off to move it.
I'm a big cat.
Okay.
Funny.
So let's take the wheel off, wrap it.
What cat? So what are we gonna do with this?
So we've got the key to loosen the wheels. So my brother's gonna loosen the wheels. What we're gonna do, we're gonna lift the car up and put axle stands so it's safe to work. Yeah? I'll tell you when you can put the pipe. So make sure your axle stands on safely. This video it's just for coilovers, not for showing where to jack the cars up. I'll make another video to show how to.
Where to put your axle stands on and where I jack up.
And the sills be rusted, don't they? Yeah. So if we jack it up from the side, it'll crush it. That's why we jack it up from the front over. Let him loosen the wheels, and then we have to. You can put the hammer down now, boy. Leave the hammer for a minute.
It's my turn.
Come on then, pump the jack up and down. Yeah.
I'm going to finish this whole plot. Ready to work.
Straighten the wheel. So my brother forgot to loosen this side. Like we do, sometimes we forget things. So all you do is go inside. So we need to crack the wheels open. Oh, so you see, see that power? Lifted the car. The wheels that loose, the car's lifted. You see it? Oh. So what you do is put the bar in it. So the bar's like a bit of an extension. So you get more leverage, basically. And that's it, all the wheels are loose. What we need to do is jack this side up. Yeah? Jack this side up, put the stand on, take both front wheels off.
Yes, good.
Get the other stand.
Okay, I can do it fine. Okay.
You can start loosening the wheel nuts.
Yeah, I got it done.
Go on, jack this up.
Okay.
You use this. Grab this. Put that down. Grab that. Just twist with your hand. You don't need that.
Yeah, just twist it. Alright, I'll tell you how much. That's enough, I think. So we've got our little helpers here today. Our little mechanics in training. Mechanics in training. You like doing this stuff? Yeah, see, this is why we get project cars to keep us all busy, don't we? Ready, come on, keep coming.
Can we drop the jack now?
Yeah.
Come on, help me twist the jack. Slowly. Twist. That's it. Pull the jack out. Pull the jack out.
It's gonna end up breaking.
Pull. Come on. Yes. That's enough. Okay.
Take it in turns. So go on, you let him do the next one now. Adios. Hello!
Yeah, boy.
Hey, look at that.
Come on.
I'm go get my
You're going to go get your ball. You've done this before, haven't you?
Yeah, I've done it loads.
You've done it loads of times.
Yeah, garage too.
Ah, garage as well, yo.
Yeah,
You're a proper young mechanic, aren't you?
You got the other ones.
We're going to do the other side, yeah.
Baba, I've been doing so.
Yeah.
I've been taking the wheels off for him.
Yo. Excuse me, mate.
It moves.
Excuse me. Are you interested as well?
He got a ball.
Sit down. Oh, you can sit down if you want. Look, oh, look at this. We'll all sit. We can all sit. You know how to sit?
Let me sit.
I don't think he knows how to sit.
Let me
No.
sit. Like a school in
Oh,
nursery.
yeah, school. Come on then, you can teach us. Let's sit and watch.
So tell you, you do this. The garage teacher.
See, what do you want me to do?
This. You cross your legs.
You want me to cross my legs?
Yeah.
Do you really think I can cross my legs at my age? Ah. I haven't crossed my legs in ages, mate. Oh. Hold my arms too. Oh, that's pushing it now. Oh, that hurts my legs, mate. I can't sit like that for long. I'll do the last one. I'll do the last one because the wheel comes off with the last one. So move out the way now.
Can I hold the wheel?
Let's put all the bolts together. Grab all the bolts. We keep be nice and neat. Put them all together. Put the bolts just behind you over there together. There together so they don't get lost. That's good. Just a bit under the car so we don't kick them. Just there. Hello? We need the bar. Oh no, we don't. So we've got it. Hello? Yeah?
Which one?
Yeah? You got it?
Yeah, I'll be our school is to
Come on, move your hands now.
these are heavier than I thought.
Always put the wheel under the car for extra safety. If it will fit. We got stands as well. Okay. So now we're gonna get some WD-40. Spray the coilovers.
Yeah. Where is it? Can I spray it?
No, because this is dangerous stuff.
Yeah,
So you let's stand back because we don't want it to splash in your eyes or anything. So from a distance, you don't have to go near it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna spray the bottom bit of the coilover in the top area where it locks. So you can give it about 10 minutes, let it soak in. Same on the other side, and then hopefully we should be able to unlock the locking bolts or pins or whatever you call them on the coilover. All waiting patiently. You have to wait 10 minutes. Can you wait 10 minutes?
Yeah, obviously.
Obviously. Yeah, boy. What's happened? It's a ladybird. Ah, it's gonna eat you.
Oi, leave it.
Leave it. Let it fly away.
No, put it in the floor.
Yeah, put it on the floor. Save the ladybirds.
I gotta protect it.
Protect it.
Yeah, let's take it out. I'm super good. Look here.
What are you doing?
We're making a house for the ladybug. Get away.
Okay. Are you protecting it? Putting bricks around it. Alright, it's safe now.
That's
Safe now. That's it. Leave it now.
Let's kill that one. Lead up. Filling car.
Come on then. Let's spray this over here. The same again on this side. Spraying a bit of WD-40 on the coilovers.
Yeah.
Giving it 10 minutes, let it soak in. And then we're going to unlock the grips. Still don't know what you call them. But yes, we can hammer it.
Hammer it. I've got the hammer.
Not yet, give it 10 minutes.
Oh.
Let it soak in and then we're going to do it.
My phone.
Move out the way now. Let's get our floor protection. Oh, careful. Let's have some fun now. Let's get the hammer. Go get the
Pink.
chisel. Careful with that, boy. So what we're going to do now is, if you look inside here,
Yeah. Oh, it didn't move. I mean,
what we're going to do is loosen the coilover. Oh no, so we're going the wrong way. So we're loosening left. So left loose, right tight. Hopefully, take it easy. Don't hammer it too much because you might end up snapping it. So there, did you see it loosen? Look,
Yeah.
has it gone loose?
Yeah.
Okay, so that's good. Now we've loosened the top one.
Yes, it's loose.
We're gonna loosen the bottom one as well. So same again, left loose, right tight. These are not that old, so they've come loose. So we've adjusted the height before, but if they are really old coilovers, they sometimes can be a bit of a nightmare to loosen. So because we've got no clamps, we're gonna try twisting it by hand.
Yeah.
So are you feeling strong?
Yeah. Huh?
We measured it.
Where's the
No, you don't need to
toolbox?
measure it yet. You measure it after, so then you know what you're doing. So we're twisting outwards, and that's lifting the car up.
Papa, where's that toolbox we had?
Toolbox. We don't need tools for this. Just need a hammer and chisel, so we're okay.
Okay.
So what we're doing is
We don't.
twisting it left, and that's if you noticed.
I'm higher.
Yeah, this was going higher. Can you see it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So now what we're gonna do?
Finger.
Put that down. Put it down. Give me it. It's dangerous.
Not finger.
It is dangerous in your hands.
No.
Yes, it is.
It's on his finger.
Okay, so look. So now what we're going to do is twist this one all the way down. So before we lock it, we're going to measure it. So go, where's the measuring thing? Where's the measuring? So we've got the measuring tape now. What we're going to do is
We didn't measure it.
we're going to try measuring exactly how much gap we've got from, so how much thread we've got basically. So once the both at the bottom, we need to measure, and we have got 9 centimeters. 9 centimeters, yeah. So now we need to measure from the bottom of the coil thread to the top of the coil thread to see how much gap we've got. We've got 9 centimeters. So now we need to quickly go run over to. Come on, boys. See, this is why we put stuff out the way so we don't fall. What have we got on this side? We have got have a look, what have we got on this side? 8.5. So we need to lift this up slightly. We need to get this to 9. We're going to try going for 9.5. So we're going to carry on adjusting till we get to 9.5. Okay. So we've adjusted and it's locked itself. The reason why it's locked itself is because it's the pin sometimes does tighten up itself. So what you do is just loosen it slightly, twist the pin up. No, no, don't do it up. So what we do is loosen it slightly. Let the car
I didn't know.
go a bit higher. So what we're aiming for is 9.5 centimeters thread difference.
Don't tell Eddie all this. What in the car?
That's how I'm measuring it. So let's have a look now. Where's the measuring stick? Here it is. We've got 9.5. No, we've actually got
Look.
a bit more. We need to go quite more. That was 8.5. We need to go higher. We need to go higher, boy.
Highway. Let's go up.
Ah!
I can't even lift this car up. Yeah, I can't. Can you? Oh, you're gonna break the bumper. Eddie! Mommy! Eddie! Mommy! Your mom's not here asleep. Eddie, can you lift the car?
So I was doing it the wrong way first, and I'm thinking, why is it going from 9 to 8.5? Because I was twisting it left. That was screwing it in, but we need to screw this out. So now we're going right, and hopefully we should be right. What do you think?
Yes. Oh, a swing!
Do you know your 1 to 10s?
Yeah.
Come on then.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Wow. Do you know your 1 to 10?
1, 2,
Yeah.
3,
Yeah.
4,
Yeah.
5,
Go on.
6,
Yes, boy.
7,
Yes.
8,
Yes.
9,
9.
10.
Whoa!
I can bad enough. I can go to 20.
These are a bit big.
I know to 100.
Alright, come on now, let's see how much. So let's see now what the gap is now.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12,
Now we are on 9.2.
24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29.
This is dangerous.
I'm not doing that.
Leave this, look. You know what I said? So let's see now.
You're gonna make
We're
it.
Oh, it's gone a bit more than 9.5. It's gone to 9.7. So now we need to go on the other side and get both sides to 9.7. Now I'm happy with 9.7. It'll give us a bit more ride height because it was touching first. Okay. Come on, let's go on the other side.
Yeah, all side. Is it 9?
9.7.
We need a hammer.
We've got the hammer here. Oh, we need to unlock this side first, so we're going to unlock it. Same again for the other side. Come here, show them what we're doing. Show the people what we're doing. So we're unlocking again. This one was easier.
This one's very easy.
Because we had WD-40 in it for longer. WD-40 does help a lot. Same with the top. Unlock. This will be going left. Yo. So that's left now. That's loose now, so we need to go up. Oh, this one's a bit stiff. Let's see if we've had breakfast today. Yes.
You did it?
Yes. I had breakfast.
Can you come with there? I can see it.
Yes. We are going up. Yeah, going up. Careful with the hammer, boy. So we're measuring it now.
Do it.
We have got to 8.5. So we need to keep going higher. So you actually see we're actually twisting the whole coil over. Usually they don't twist when they're a bit stiff. So what you get is like a C spanner, and you can actually grip it from here and spin it. But because these are fairly new and they're not that old, we're getting away with twisting it by hand. So yeah, loosening usually you can't twist it by hand. They're a bit hard, but because these are fairly new, they're pretty strong. So now what we're gonna do is again twist the bottom lock down all the way till it's locked. Get our measuring tape and measure the distance from the top to the bottom. So we are on 9.5. If you can just see there where the top screw is, 9.5. And we need to do 9.7, so both sides are equal in height. A few more turns. Lock the bottom. Oh, we forgot to lock the top. This might lock the top. Now we should be at our 9. Oh, we're still on 9.5, or 1 more millimeter, and hopefully we should be alright. Few turns. Now hopefully we are on 9.7. So the gap, the thread gap, that's how I measure the ride height. Well, I don't measure the ride height, well, the coil gap, because I knew I wanted to go higher. So originally it was on 8.5, so now we've gone up to 9.5. So hopefully that should give us some more ride height, because with cars with arches, big beast arches, it was touching, wasn't it? What nice?
Yeah, sometimes.
Yeah, so we've lifted it up because we've got bigger wheels on, and now hopefully it should lift the car up higher. Thumbs up. People up there. So now I've gone for a bit higher, so we've gone for 10 centimeters thread gap. So what we're going to do is lock the bottom, lock the top. If you want to adjust spring bounce, you can't do it by hand. You actually need one of them C clamps. Unlock the top clamp and then actually twist this, and you can actually adjust the ride height and the ride load, so you'll have more bounce. If this is all the way up, your suspension will be harder. The lower it is, the more your suspension can bounce. So that's just a little tip for you all. So they've all got snacks here. Where's mine? Can I have one? Thank you. You love your fruit, don't you? Are you healthy? Feel healthy?
Yeah. I don't feel sit down.
You want to sit down? Yeah, no problem. There you go, mate. You're welcome. You want your ball on over here, so it's safe?
Yes.
Okay. What fruit are you eating?
Yes.
Peaches.
Yeah, peaches.
Do you like peaches?
Yeah. I'm gonna have some grapes.
Very good.
Is it plum? Is it plum?
Yes, man. You actually told me what it is. Yeah, look, I've forgotten. You told me. Respect. Touch.
Is it plum? Is it plum?
Touch. Okay, okay. So now let's carry on with what we're doing. Let them have.
What's this?
Oh, is it dirty? We throw that one in the bin.
We got in the dumping.
Okay. So whilst these boys have their snacks, say, eat fruit, people. Fruit's good for you. We're just gonna lock the locks again. So what we did, so same again, same sort of thing. So what we're gonna do is hammer these until they're locked tight. Where's the hammer? There you go. I'm just gonna lock them. Just gently tap. As you've noticed, I haven't got a massive hammer, because your hammer actually, if you have a bigger hammer, it can cause more damage. So a smaller hammer, just nice small taps until the actual coilover locks. You don't have to go too hard because you can actually snap the coil over. So small hits, bottom one's locked. Don't forget to lock the top one. The top one's going to be the opposite way. Yeah, so lock the top, lock the bottom one. They're usually opposite, so if the bottom one's left, the top one's going to be right. That's all it is. Double check, always double check. I always triple check. Double check, triple check. Now we can put the wheel on and see how much space we've got here.
Is that really good?
Yes, it's real good.
Cool.
Very cool. Okay. So now we're gonna get the tire. Back on, boys. Get the nuts. Get the nuts.
Look.
Thank you very much. Up other way. Shiny bit at the bottom. So no, always opposite. So if you do that top one, you do this bottom one. Okay. Yeah. Twist. Where's the key for the wheels? Key might be on the other side. Get some more nuts. There's 2 nuts missing. AD, where's the 2 nuts gone? You was playing with them.
You don't even know what nuts are.
Yes.
Hello.
Not going on very tight on that one. So where are they? Under the car. Can you go get them, please? Or shall I get them? You don't want to dirty your clothes?
No, let me get it. I can go.
Alright, go on then. Where is it?
I'm gonna stop watch.
Oh my god. It's clogged building. Come on.
Oh, there's another one. I got this one.
That's it, we don't need no more. Come on, get out now.
Baba Blackie coming out the way.
Oh yeah, we need that. Thank you.
I'm aware.
So whenever we're tightening, we're going opposite. Twist, twist, I'm helping you. Twist, twist, twist. It's going in, don't worry, you don't have to put your head down that much. So opposite now, so which one's the opposite to that one? This one?
Yeah.
Yes, let's do this one then.
This one's good.
No, is it? Let's see. Let's see. Let me try. Yeah, so this one. Keep twisting. Got a lot of power, you.
Me?
Yeah? You just got it. Whoa, that was a big burp from a little man. Was it the grapes that give you the power?
Yeah.
Come on then. Excuse me, what are you doing?
I broke this one off with this.
You snapped that with that?
Yeah.
Yo, you got some power. Careful with that. So we are done. Quick. Oh, just bottom one left here slightly. Let's quickly run to the other side.
Go.
We need to put the wheel on first. Hello?
Oh, can we screw this in?
Okay. Now you can do it.
Now listen to that. I need a bucket.
Go on. Give me that. You screw. That one, you can start with that one. We need to still put these middle caps in. These are fresh alloys that we've just sprayed. That's it. Get the bar, go get the bar. Let's just snip them slightly.
Yeah, I got the bar.
Have you got the bar? Show me, I'll do the bar. It's a bit dangerous. You just twist it with the hand like that.
Seriously?
We do it as tight as we can. for now. Just so we can drop it and it doesn't move. Same on the other side.
Other side, other side.
Other side. Yeah, boy.
Chopping noodle. What the fuck? Oh, chopping noodle.
Oh, we scratched the wheel. We need to be careful. We need to be more careful, don't we? So that's tight enough now. We can tighten the rest up once the car's down on the floor. Okay, let's get the jet.
How much lights are we gonna get me?
So let's quickly take the stands off.
I'm gonna take this one off.
No, that one won't come out yet.
What?
One at a time. So pull the stand out, drop it slowly. Can you be careful with that, boy?
Oh, am I chopping you off? Excuse me. Why am I chopping you off? Found you. Which one?
Oh, if I took your seat?
Yeah.
Oh, 1 minute, I won't be long, and then you can have your seat.
See?
Let's quickly pull this out. Take this jack out. Okay.
Now we're gonna put it down.
Put it down slowly.
Down. Yeah. What that even means?
Nice and slowly.
What?
Yes. Now look, yes, the car's gone higher. We've got enough gap there now. It's not touching now. So if you can see here, we have got enough arch gap. We can get 3 fingers in. Before we couldn't even get 1 finger in. So boys, come here. So we've done the coilovers now. We've done a good job. If you want more videos, like,
Follow and comment.
comment and subscribe.
Subscribe.
See you on the next video.
Bye-bye. Bye.